Today I'm making Valentine's cookies, little bite-sized shortbread hearts sandwiched together with raspberry jam. We're going to start by adding about 200 grams of unsalted butter and 95 grams of golden caster sugar to the food mixer. Now that's all mixed together, we'll add in 200 grams of plain all-purpose flour and 95 grams of rice flour. The rice flour is what gives the shortbread that lovely crumbly texture. Let's get that all in, and then we'll give it a good mix again. We don't want to over-mix the dough because that will make the cookies tough. You just want a nice light crumbly texture. Once you've got the right consistency, you want to scoop the dough out of the bowl and form it into a ball, then place it on a floured surface and roll it out till it's about 5 or 6 mil thick. I've got a little pile of flour here and I'm going to dip my cutter into the flour to prevent it sticking to the dough. And we'll cut through the dough and you can see the hearts come out really easily. Dip again. Try to be economical with the dough. Try and cut the cookies quite close together so you're not having to re-roll the dough too many times. The more times you re-roll it, the tougher the cookies will be. You can place the cookies quite close together on the baking sheet. They won't spread. Just make sure they're not touching. Right, they've been in the fridge for about an hour. It's really important to refrigerate the cookies before you cook them. Not only does it help develop the flavour of the cookies, but it helps keep those edges really sharp as well. Right, we're going to sprinkle on about a tablespoon of icing sugar before they go in the oven. So they're going into the oven at 180°C for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're just lightly golden at the edges. Because they're shortbread cookies, we want them to remain quite pale. Once they're cooked, remove them from the oven and place on a cooling rack to cool. And then we're going to fill them with jam. Chris and I don't really buy each other gifts on Valentine's Day, but we do tend to do something food related. And I think this does make the perfect gift. Really hope you like the recipe. Please comment below and let us know what you like to cook for Valentine's Day. And like and subscribe for more recipes. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you're notified of every new recipe that we come out with. We bring out recipes every week.